Hello, in this short tutorial I'm just gonna show you how you can fix lag crashes when you're trying to edit videos in Capcut. This happened to me and I found the solution, so make sure you watch this video and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials. I'll really appreciate it. So what you have to do to fix this problem, make sure first of all, that's one of the most important tips and tricks out there. Okay, this is one of the most important. A lot of people are overlooking. It's just this. It's just close. If you have live wallpaper apps, okay, you're editing maybe in Capcut, don't leave other apps in the background. Close them, such as, you know, I have DaVinci Resolve here. You know, I'm not practicing what I'm preaching, I know, if that's what you observed here, but I have a good reason. I just have a file there and I have to leave it on. Anyways, but make sure you're doing that. And also there's another advice for you is to go to settings. Make sure you go to performance and make sure you select render interface with GPU. Okay, this is all gonna fix. And also you can go to graphics settings, and here click on graphics settings, and now here click on look for Capcut. Okay, and make sure if you can't find Capcut here, just go to browse and look for Capcut. Okay, here we have Capcut, make options, and here make sure you select high performance. Okay, instead of let Windows decide, because Windows usually doesn't make very good decisions. So make sure you select high performance, and I hope this is going to fix this problem. I know how annoying it is, because I usually edit on Capcut my videos, or at least I used to. Now I edit on in DaVinci, but I can relate with you, and I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe, I'll really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.